Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Aptitude Improvement the M.M. Patel Way. In this session, we are going to discuss concepts related to Chapter 20, that is, replace letters by digits. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos. Problem number 1. Replace the letters with the appropriate digits in the following sums. Note that different letters have different values. There are 4 sums A, B, C and D given. Let us discuss the logical approach first. For learning fundamentals, refer to Chapter 17. The video reference is Aptitude Improvement Course 17 Concept Replace Letters by Digit Part 1. Let's solve the problem A. The first value which we can find out is E. E will be equal to 3. Considering 4 into 9 plus brought forward digit will be equal to E9 and we will get 39. Next we can find is D equals to 2 because 4 into E, that is 4 into 3 equals to star D, that is equal to 12. Then we can find out C equals to 5 as it cannot be equal to 0. Now B will be equal to 7 considering 4 into B plus 2 equals to 30. That is 4 into 7 plus 2 equals to 30. This is logical because we needed a carry forward of 3 out of 4 into B plus 2. This is how we get B equals to 7, C equals to 5, D equals to 2 and E equals to 3. Now we come to problem B. The first value which we can find out is A, and A will be equal to 1 considering 4 into A plus brought forward should be equal to 5. Then we can find out value of B, and B will be equal to 2 considering 4 into B plus brought forward digit should be equal to star 1. Then we come to C and we find that C will be equal to 9 because 4 into 9 plus 3 will be equal to 39. Then we come to E and possible values of E will be 3 or 8. Now E will be equal to 3 because 4 into 8 plus 1 gives us 33. This condition will not be fulfilled by E equals to 8. And finally we get D which is equal to 8. This is how we get A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to 9, D equals to 8 and E equals to 3. Now we come to problem C. Now A can be either 1 or 2. It cannot be more than 2 because A into 4 doesn't result in any carry. Now A cannot be equal to 1, reason A is in the table of 4 and therefore it has got to be even. Hence A is equal to 2. Now E can be either 8 or 9. However, it cannot be 9 and therefore E equals to 8. Then we come to B and we find that B can be equal to either 1 or 2. The reason B into 4 should not result in any carry forward. B cannot be equal to 2 because A is already equal to 2. Now we come to D and we find D equals to 7 as 7 into 4 plus 3 gives us 31. Finally, we find out value of C and C equals to 9 as 9 into 4 plus 3 equals to 39. This satisfied conditions at both the places for C. This is how we get A equals to 2, E equals to 8, B equals to 1, D equals to 7 and C equals to 9. Now we come to problem D. To solve this problem, we need to relate values of N, O, E and U. The first possibility is if N is equal to 1, then E will be equal to 3. This is not possible. The second possibility is N equals to 2, O equals to 4, E equals to 6 and U equals to 3. This is possible. The next, N equals to 3, O equals to 1, E equals to 9 and U equals to 3. This is also not a possible condition. Next is N equals to 4, O will be equal to 1, E will be equal to 2 and U will be equal to 3. This is also not possible. Initially this appears to be a possible condition, but with 1, 2, 3 and 4 consumed, S and M will have to be greater than 4, which will result in a 5-digit number for total. And for total we need a 4-digit number. You can put N equals to 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 and see what happens. You will not encounter possibilities. Hence we get two possible solutions. The solutions are shown. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on getting ready for aptitude improvement the MM Patel way.